Hello there, it's me again. I'm back for another rather unexpected unboxing video because today at an Ottawa hobby shop I managed to get this kit, the 1986 edition of the Enterprise A, the old AMT Ertl kit from 1986. You can even see the Star Trek 20 years symbol on the box. So we'll take a look. First you have the old decals with the 20 years symbol on the decal, so I'll use those for the base. And then of course you have the big instruction sheet. Wow, it's quite large. Look at that. Look how big those instructions are. And it even tells you where to put the 20-year symbol on both sides of the base. See? And it has the instructions on how to assemble everything. Looks pretty similar to before, except it's the older base, as you can tell. And then the other side has the decals and the color instructions for each part of the ship. Of course, I'm going to adjust them based on the screenshots from TrekCore to make it more accurate. And then of course this kit, now some of the parts were already off the sprue tree, but you have the starboard side of the port side of the hull, deflector dish, 6 window inserts, and one of the strongbacks. Then you have the 2 halves of the saucer, bottom half, top half. Now this discoloration can be either cleaned off with soap and water, or it'll be colored over when it's primer time. So don't have to worry about that. And of course you have the old base, same one that was on my 93 Enterprise. And the base is attachment, which will fit right like that. See, there you go. And that's where it hooks into the bottom of the hull of the Enterprise. And then of course you have the other sprue tree. You have the bottom sensor dome, the bridge, both sides of the neck, impulse housing, torpedo launchers, probably the back of the bridge, and of course the shuttle bay door. And then you have 2 loose pylons, and we're going to see, is it the same pylon? Will these fit together? Yes, they will. See? So they fit together just like that, the rods and the pegs. There you go, see? But look, you have a solid pylon attachment here, not the cut one like in the Star Trek V kit. So it is theoretically possible this model will fit together a lot better. And look at how much longer this tab is. See? It's not as short as it used to be, so it might fit together better. And of course you have the starboard side of the hull. And you have this nacelle on the sprue tree is already almost together. So that's good. Just going to leave it in there. Then of course you have the other strongback for the engineering hull. And in this one you have 2 halves of the nacelles and a sprue tree itself. So that's pretty well everything that's in the kit. It all seems to fit together. It'll probably all fit together pretty well. Shouldn't have too many problems. And this will be a great model, a Star Trek 20 years model. So it's the second Star Trek anniversary kit I'm going to build, because of course I'm going to build the Star Trek 50 years Excelsior also. And what I'm going to do, probably tomorrow, I keep delaying it, but what I'm going to do is go on the Federation models shop.com website and order the old 1979 Smooth AMT Enterprise from 1979, and that's the one I'm going to save the A Creation models for, you know, the 5 color ones. Whereas this one will get the old HDA Model Works decals, but what I will use is the Starship Modeler paint guide that I have for the Enterprise. And it's almost like 3 soft metallics, like the champagne gold, the ice metallic blue, and the pearl white. I use those 3, and it should work just fine. So anyway, that's about all for now. I'll probably come back when I've finished the 3-ship Enterprise set. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye-bye.